November 16. Andito po kami ngayon sa Good Fortune Chinese Restaurant. And ito yung bata natin. Galing po kami ng Simba. And lunch kami dito. It's almost 1:30. At late lunch na lang siya. So, kain kami ng Chinese food.
I want noodles. I want noodles.
There's the robot.
Did you see the robot?
This one.
Andito na po yung food namin. Naantay na lang yung roast duck. Yummers.
Yeah, noodles.
Ayan, andito po kami ngayon sa DFO clearance. Andito po kami sa Lacoste na store. Yung DFO po is outlet store na maraming mga sale. Ayan. Ayan. Levi's, Gant, ayan, Coach, Kate Spade, at marami pang iba. Ayan.
Bakal ko wala sa timo, ano?
Hanap tayo ng stone pan dito. Yan, di pa natin kaya yung salad mustard. Stone pan lang muna ang bakarat or any pans dito.
Nakadam ko ba?
Buy one, get one. Matchbox.
Na ito na pa, ito na ang ano lang. Ang daw mga...
Andito ako guys sa Utopia. Yan, bibili lang ako ng milk tea. Tapos punta ako sa bata na playground. 20?
I want some here. Good?
Bigla lang naglaro siya sa mga random na mga bata na naglalaro din dito. Friends na sila agad. Go, laro ka lang dyan. Na-miss niya na makipaglaro sa ibang bata. Kasi nasa bahay lang kami palagi. Hindi namin yan kilala. Literally. Nag-iisip pa kami kung bibili kami ng bakarat na cookware or hindi. So, tignan natin kung lalabas kami ditong may dala. So, pahinga po muna kami ngayon dito. Ayan, kasi napagod na. Tapos si Dad nandun dyan sa Levi's. Magtitingin na naman. Wala kaming nabili as usual. And then, next time na lang kami bibili ng bakarat. Pag may mas magandang sale na. Andito naman kami sa Costco. kaharap lang ng DFO. Sinamahan na namin yung friend namin na nagbabakasyon dito. And kuha lang kami dyan ng chicken.
Kanya po nila doon. Ay, dyan. Malaki yung mais ako. Sige, nitang mais ako ganyan. Oo, naman isa-isa lang. Pagpagising, pagpagising lang.
Pa-check out na po kami, guys. Antok na yung bata. Magsi-6 na. November 17, punta po kami ng Fremantle. Gagala namin yung friend namin. And kung napapansin nyo, hindi tugma yung lip ko sa pagsasalita kasi wala palang audio. Kaya ako na lang nagdadub dito. And punta kaming Fremantle or Frio, kung tawagin nila. And mamimili kami ng mga pasalubong or yung friend namin mamimili ng pasalubong. Diyan yung bata naglalaro habang andito din ako sa likod. Ayan. Samahan niyo po kami. See ya!
I'll show you some actual tricks, okay? Some actual three-wheel juggling tricks. There's nothing to see here, just throw on the bike, keep rolling. Don't clap yet, okay? Don't clap yet.
Video lang ako, ate.
I'll give you a good time. Let me just tighten my shoelace.
Ikaw, picture kita dyan, ate.
Here we go, the good finish.
Pili ka lang dyan, ate. Dito na po kami sa Frio. Oo, palengke yung ano niya dating. Fremantle Market features plenty of stalls selling a wide variety of products including fresh produce, handmade crafts, clothing, jewelry, souvenirs, toys, and plenty of unique items. Kaya gala tayo dito, guys! And now we're going inside the yard or fresh food market. There are plenty of items sold here like cupcakes, fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, and many others. As in, Lapu Cebu?
Kasi baka $9 na yung isa doon.
At ngayon naman guys, dito naman kami sa beach area ng Fremantle. Marami din kainan dito and merong event din dito, banda. And maraming naliligo sa beach side. Samahan nyo kami! You wanna go to Spidey?
No, it's too scary.
It's too scary.
Are you sure? Look at Spidey, oh. It's a friendly Spider-Man. See, there's a baby in there. Okay. Spidey's amazing. Picture tayo muna dito para...
May mermaid that babe ba? Here. Mermaid.
That's scary.
It's scary. It's a restaurant. Everything scares you.
Yeah, that's too scary.
Are you gonna walk now?
That's too scary.
Oh, there's a lot of...
Boats.
You wanna go in there? Why? You want to eat ice cream pa? Yan mo lang. Isa?
I want it.
One more. Another one. You like it? Big mouth. Uh-oh. Big mouth. It's gonna drop. Ang ina there. Hold the spoon. You can hold the spoon. Diba? Okay, yung mga tao talaga, pumunta talaga dito pagkain. Ang daming kainan, yung mga market. Pwede nga ng palengke. Ha? Super deep. What happened? Did you eat your chips or did you feed the bird? You need to eat it. Bite it first. Bite first.
Next stop po namin is Unity Games. Ito po ay activity ng church namin. And meron po football game. Samahan niyo po kami.
While waiting for the closing ceremony, let's hear from the crowd. I heard a lot of really good chants. Let's go. Everything goes to get in my way.